Dzień dobry, good afternoon everybody. Just another day in Poznan, Poland, right? So I was today in Uzon because of so many paperwork that I have to submit again and again about paperwork, and I feel a little bit unwell. But yeah, I still making a video for those of you who are really watching me every single day. Thank you so much. And today I feel like I wanna eat something soupy. So yeah, we are still in Yesice district basically, because in this district easy to find so many restaurant, cafe, coffee shop, and also shop. So yeah, let's go. So behind me is the Rinek Yesitsky. Unfortunately, Rinek still under construction, so there is no tram here and bus. So yeah, we have to walk. It's very hot and sunny today. It's like in Bali, totally, but it's not as humid as Bali, but still enjoyable to walk. Let's go. Look at this beautiful apartment. It's very nice. I really like to see the architecture and surrounding. Haha, look at the bird, very nice. There's so many shops here, but first let's find something to eat today. So that was Rinek Yesitsky, and we go straight and straight. We already found some restaurant and sitting outside, very nice. And in the front is kebab shop, and this one is the clothes shop and kebab. This one Swanty, Brocky, and this one clothes shop. In front of me Baigel, and then Brochi, pizza, pasta, kava, kimchi chicken. So many places to eat. Baigel, nice. So this is the name of the street, Augustina Samarskiego. And look, that's the apartments on the top, and shop or restaurant just like me. The restaurant Oka Kala. Nice, many people already inside, and many shop. And this one in the front of me, and I think this one is the church. Look at these beautiful green trees, and in front of me is the church and the clock tower like this. Let's get inside the church before we go to the restaurant. This is inside the church. Beautiful. Look at this building architecture, so unique. And this one is the restaurant Roberto, Kuchnia Kyrgyzska, La Playa, Kuchnia Mexicanka, many things. And this one is the area of the restaurant. In front of me is Karimari, and apartment, flower shop. And oh, look at this one. See, sitting already outside like this. This one is sushi of Vietnamese sushi bar. So many things basically. Very nice and enjoyable to walk. This one is the Thai restaurant Bangkok. So many places to choose basically, but I feel like, oh, very nice, but I feel like I wanna eat the curry, Thai curry with the thick one. So let's cross the street. In front of me is a flower shop, but look at this place. Enjoyable. I feel like wanna eat a curry soup that thick with the spices, herbs. So yeah, let's go to the Kari Mari. I heard that that place is good. So yeah, let's see. So every day they have something special. So today I took a Zupa and Dani 38 Swote. So I choose mango curry kurcakem, which is Indian curry. Oh, for those of you Indian viewers, I told you Indian food are everywhere. So mango curry, and I also wanna take soup here. Malay Seiska laksa kurcakem. Laksa from Malaysia. You see, always you can find nice food wherever you go here. And look at the place. Look at this mural art on the wall. Smachneko. So this is the Malaysiska laksa. The kurcakem, it means laksa Malaysian with the chicken. Let's see. So for the Malaysian viewers or the Asian viewers, don't worry, you always find Asian food here no matter where you are. Look at this soup. Looks so good. I will try it. Very tasty. Nice. My food for today. This one is Malaysian laksa chicken, which is this one, and this one is the mango curry kurcakem. They said little bit spicy, but this is good for me. And this one is the salad and the rice. Ooh, I'll show you inside. The soup is very thick and tasty. And now I'll get another spoon, and let's see this one. Oh, very thick paste. Look at this, very hot. Smachneko. 38 Swote for all. So good price, right? So now let's try the mango curry. They said this is quite spicy. This look like this. Right, I already finished my soup, so let's see this one with the rice. Barzo polecam. So good. Just look at this mango curry. You can see that the paste is very thick with a pulpa mango, pomidori, which is a tomato, chestnut, and then with the chicken here. And they have a like quite big of piece of chicken here, and with the basmati rice like this. Smachneko. Right, so I just finished my lunch and I decided to go to the public library, Biblioteca Wojewódzka, behind me. So let's see what books that I can borrow. Let's go. I got a book and I wanna read somewhere. This one is reading room. Basically, okay, I'll sit there inside. Look at the library, so clean. Right, that was a very nice, well-organized library, clean inside and aircon, so good. But unfortunately, the English textbook collection is very limited and mostly written in Polish. So yeah, I think that I need to stroll around now, and we will go home soon. And I feel a little bit headache and runny nose, but yeah, I'll show you the area in the Rynek Piasecki, and there are so many nice architectural building just like behind me and in front of me. And behind me is that the nice playground surrounded by the apartment. But one thing, the architecture of the door apartment here is very unique and so artistic. I'll show you. Look at this one, and this one, and in front of this, and the blue sky. Look at this, and look at this next door. It is from 1904. This time. It is a strawberry season nowadays. Look at this, everywhere strawberries, and I'm in Kiwi buying strawberries. So long queue. Oh, look at these strawberries behind. It's really like a strawberry season everywhere. And look at the fresh tomato. Oh, look at this. So many nice. So I bought 1 kilogram of the very nice fresh big strawberries, because this one is strawberry seasons. So yeah, I think that's all my video today, guys. It's time to go home. This is my daily vlog again. Thanks for watching. Oh, look at this dress behind me. I have to go home, otherwise my money will jumping out again. Thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.